Hello, friend. It's beautiful painting, revealing so much. So, what is your view in regard to this painting? It's such a beautiful painting. See what you can feel from this beautiful painting. It's a blessing to be here in Sikkim. Come, let's enjoy the nature of Sikkim, the beauty of Sikkim. The beautiful hills, the mountain view, and Sikkim is a state. It is a green state of India. One should visit it at least once in lifetime. It's a paradise on earth. Visiting Sikkim, it's a blessing in disguise. The climate is so cold and the green mountains. Nature has its own beauty. It's how we see it. We thank you, universe, for this lovely morning, for the lovely view, for the grace of the chirping of the birds. Such a wonderful morning, blessed morning. The greenery, the plantation, so well taken care. If you happen to visit Sikkim, don't forget to visit Gangtok. See the beautiful bird. It's drizzling, it's raining, and the nature love is full of abundance and joy and happiness. It's all how you enjoy it. We are having a great time, and it's actually a blessing to be here in Sikkim. So, my dear friends, I hope you like this video of mine. It's raining here today. I just thought of sharing with my dear friends. Beautiful morning view. So, wishing everyone joy, happiness, and the nature's beauty. Have a great weekend ahead. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shukrana, shukrana, shukrana. Love, Manisha. Shukrana, shukrana, shukrana. Thank you, God. Thank you, nature. Thank you, the beauty of abundance. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, before ending this video, let's have a chorus. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I thank you, I love you, dear nature. We all love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.